and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to make a draped skirt which is from Zara, though you can see a lot of draped skirt and different styles online and in the market, but I'm going to make one which is Komal Pandey's favorite and somehow mine as well. So without further ado, let's start the tutorials.
First, I have taken a basic skirt pattern for front and the back. Working on the front first and marking the position as the gathers will be in the center and it's almost plain from the side. So cutting and adjusting the pattern as required. You just follow the steps I am doing here. Mark lines like these at every 1 cm gap or as you like. Remove the dart and stick the separate pieces together like this. Now cut these lines starting from the center till the edge of the sides. Spread these on another pattern paper and stick it. Once done, cut the pattern. This will be the half side of the front skirt. As the skirt has center fall as well, we will be adding extra fabric there, so making pattern for that. As per the original skirt, the gathers are at the waist only, so making pattern according to the design. I'm taking the center portion 5 inches in width and 5 inches longer than the original length of the skirt. Then again mark lines at every 1 cm and cut it. Spread it on another pattern paper and paste it together. Then cut it again. Now cutting the fabric. Cut half portion as the pattern is. Do the extra margin if your pattern doesn't have. For another half, stick these pattern together in the position as shown and then cut the whole pattern together. Back will be simple with 2 dots. Zipper will be added on the side. Here is what we are gonna do. Gather the curves and stitch these together from the reverse side. So to start stitching, I'm making the gathers first. But before that, mark the skirt length on the center flap so that you know where you have to finish the gathers. Once you are done with gathering, attach it with the flap. As there are gathers in the flap, we will make it there as well. Make gathers of the other half of the front section and stitch it together with the other half only till where you want the slit. Finish the slit by folding it. Also finish the hem. Here what we have got till now, we will attach the belt but leaving this extra section of the flap, as this is to give the illusion of proper tuck without flattening the look from the waist. But before adding the belt, join the sides together and add the zipper. Cut the belt. I have made the belt little curvish to give it a curvy look from waist. Now add the belt to the skirt. At the end, you will be left with the flap, which you just need to fold it over the belt and stitch it with the belt from reverse side. That's it. You own a draped skirt now.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it, and if you do try at home, do tag me on your Instagram post. I will definitely love to watch it. Till then, stay home, stay connected. Sayonara.